bad. It's bad. Bad. It's bad. Bad. Nah, it's bad now. It's bad. I'm telling you, it's bad. Bad. Forgive me, guys. But there's no ways 2022 is going to continue without Confess. No ways. It's bad. We had to do it. Boom. Boom. Swipe it up. I say that to say this. It's an exchange of energies. Do you know how much it costs to show somebody some love? On the other side. It's your boy Ricky. How much does it cost to walk in the building, give everybody handshakes, give everybody hugs, give the baby some kisses? How you doing, Daddy? Look good today. How much does it cost to show somebody some love? Smile on your face.
Baba sihlabele kule industry umngano silahleke kade sibheka sibona unyamale inzondo sathano sabale haleluya sibule sihlabele igazi nomoya usikele umhlaba unenzondo ukuthethele hawu baba siyacela usikhusele awu usimvukele masange ezulwini omvulele hawu leyo ngiloso siqinele hawetha amaphupha shabale cela sikhuleke ubuya zonke insuku nginawe ngani wami ayaphela ubuya zonke insuku nginawe It's an exchange of energies, it's an exchange of love. We'll catch you guys on the other side. It's your boy Ricky Rick. If you never hear from me again, I love you. God bless you.